The Snoring T-Rex by Mrs. Buxton's first graders. On Tuesday, a giant T-Rex stomped in front of Mrs. Buxton's first grade class window. He fell asleep in the green grass. Suddenly he started snoring so loud that it sounded like a pig snorting. Mrs. Buxton's class was trying to learn subtraction in math class, but the giant T-Rex was snoring so loud that the first graders couldn't even hear Miss Buxton teaching. The first graders wanted the giant T-Rex to go away so they could concentrate on subtraction. The class had to think with their brains, and the idea to get the giant T-Rex go away. Kingston thought we should put meaty, juicy ribs in the forest so a giant T-Rex would smell the food and go away. The giant T-Rex followed the smell and chomped the meaty, juicy ribs all up. Chomp, chomp. Then he came back and fell asleep because he had a full tummy and started snoring. The kids needed another idea to get the giant T-Rex to go away. Ethan said we should put a leaf-blowing mask on his nose so he can't snore anymore. So Brave Maeve tiptoed up to the giant T-Rex, put the mask on quickly, and ran like a cheetah back inside. But that giant T-Rex whipped off and started snoring again. Eliza had an idea to make a time machine to go back into Jurassic World so the dinosaur could snore somewhere else. But he broke the machine because he was too big. Seth stood up in front of the class and told we should put a binky in his mouth. And Celeste said excitedly, and we should a blankie and a pear. The giant T-Rex loved the binky, teddy bear, and blankie. So every day he kept coming back and taking a nap outside Mrs. Buxton's window. Finally, the class was tired from all that planning and thinking to get the giant T-Rex to stop snoring. Nice and Mama walked up to the giant T-Rex and said, please be quiet so the first graders can concentrate. And do you know what the giant T-Rex said? He said yes and asked, "Can I come learn with you?" In the end, the giant T-Rex stopped snoring and started learning. The end.